Alright, so today we're going to talk about my Garmin Instinct. It's my go-to watch when I'm out hiking, biking, you name it. I wanted to make sure I was protecting the screen a little bit better because it is my adventure watch. I do wear it when I'm out doing yard work, you name it. So it does get bumped and battered and whatever, accidents happen. Up to this point, I've had the watch about a year and a half. I have not had a screen protector on it, and the screen has not scratched. So I'm going to count that as a win, and also as a tote to its durability, that on its own, it is pretty scratch resistant. I haven't hit it with a hammer, but it's hit wall corners, it's been in pools, it's brushed up against twigs, tools, you name it. It's been crammed under the couch, trying to get those toys for my kid. So it has been battle tested and it's worked pretty well. I also don't want to sit here and take my chances when I could simply put a screen protector on and have that little bit extra confidence going into these situations. So I did a little bit of research on Amazon and I found the Orzero screen protector. It claims to have a 9H strong hardness rating and has about 99% HD clarity. It also claims to have anti-scratch features and it's bubble free when you put it on the watch. After looking at these specs and having this installed on my watch for over a month now, I will agree it has not scratched. It has great clarity. I don't even notice a 1% loss, if that's what you want to call it. It has not scratched, going through kind of the same tests that I've done before of getting tools, hitting it, yard work, you name it. So I'm pretty happy with the overall results. The installation was super easy and we're going to go into that right now. So first, when we install on the watch, we need to make sure that we clean the surface before we put anything on it. They have everything labeled inside of the package for you, so this makes it very easy. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use the alcohol prep pad and we're going to wipe the screen as good as possible. Make sure to remove any residue, fingerprints, you name it. Once it's looking clean, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the cloth, the cleaning cloth, and we're going to go ahead and rub that on the screen. We're going to dry up all of the moisture from the alcohol pad and just make sure overall it continues to look clean and free of dirt, grime, you name it. Once we've done that, we're going to use the dust removal sticker. And you're going to go ahead and take that off of you're going to peel it off the pad, and you're just going to kind of tack it on and off the screen. And what this is going to do is it's going to remove any residual that was left behind from the cleaning cloth, dust, or anything else that has kind of gotten onto your screen that wasn't cleaned up already. So you're going to go ahead and take it on, off, take it on, off, take it on, off, and do that several times until you have a good feeling that the screen is clean. So now we're actually ready to apply the screen protector to the watch face. You're going to go ahead and peel the back off the screen protector and gently put it onto the watch face. I find it easiest with the watch laying down flat. Even more so if you want, you can take the watch bands off so those aren't getting in your way. Once the screen protector is laying down flat, go ahead and gently press on top of it to help make sure that we're getting all of the bubbles out of the way. And we want to do this and kind of smoothly push on it until it's secure onto your screen. Once secure, you're just going to use your fingers to work out the bubbles that you'll be able to see in the glass. It's pretty obvious when it hasn't fully adhered to the screen. So one of the things that I had troubles with is getting the edges, in which case I took the pin tool from my watch replacement kit. I put the cloth on top of it, as you can see here, and I kind of rubbed around the edges. And the cloth was really to just prevent from scratching my screen protector. And then it was also so I could apply more direct force in the areas that needed it. It took me about a minute or two of doing this, which is probably more than they would claim an installation should take, but I just wanted to make sure that it was done really well. After that, as you can see here, the results turned out great. You can't even tell that this is on. The one question I do have is, how do we take this off? If you look in the question and answer section of this Amazon product page, it looks like a lot of other people have the same question, because the goal is if this gets scratched, we'll take it off and we'll put a new one on. And it looks like people have two ideas. One is you'll take some sort of suction cup that has a really good grip power and use that to pull it off the watch. And somebody else said to use some sort of like silicone on the back of a bolt, stick that to the watch face. So doing that will give you a really good grip to pull the screen off the watch face. Now, I haven't tested any of these methods, so if you've done it before, please let us know in the comments below so people can try it out. If I get to a day where my watch face is scratched and I go ahead and give it a try, I'll make sure to film it so I can share that with you guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know what you want to see next, and as always, have a great day.